3.13. Be sure when you get to the Padlet to scroll all the way over to the right and that you are looking at the columns that are to the right of day 3, because this is where we'll be working for the duration of today's class. So Monday and Tuesday of this week, we have been sort of setting the stage of the National Assembly portion of the French Revolution. And today we are bringing this sort of stage to a close. I do want to go back to day 1, where we were looking at what are the goals that the Third Estate had. And again, those goals are better representation and a new national constitution. So just keep that in the back of your mind as we go into today's lesson, because at the end of today's lesson, we are going to sort of decide, how successful the National Assembly was so far in the French Revolution. So we are at sort of the end here. We've been tracking through. Yesterday, we looked at the decree abolishing the feudal system and the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen. And today we are going to look at the last few events that sort of wrapped up this stage. Again, we're just getting bits and pieces here. We're not studying everything, but we're going to look at the Women's March that happened in October of 1789. Then we're going to fast forward 2 years and look at this source called the Declaration of the Rights of Woman and Citizen. And then we're going to end today's lesson with the Constitution of 1791. So keep those goals in the back of your mind again as we go into today's lesson. So to get started, we're actually going to hop on to another video, and we are going to watch from 34 minutes and 27 seconds to 36 minutes and 50 seconds in this YouTube video, which we've been watching since we've started the French Revolution. I do just want to make a note for later on in class when we get to looking at actual sources. It's similar to the directions of yesterday. We're first going to watch and listen to sources on our first go around, and then we're going to, if you want, you can read it or you can watch and listen again, but Ms. Chef does some extra explaining. Anyways, we are on day 3, step 2, where we're going to watch this clip in this video.